Kung ayaw nyo, hindi mo kayo manood. Alam na, honestly, that wasn't meant to blow up how it did. Parang, kunwari si Vice yung kausap ko at sinabi niya, ano ba yung movie nyo? Puro English. Ganun din ko naman siya sasagot. Yung manood. Ganun lang yun. It wasn't meant to be like a...
Super pataray.
Pataray. Parang ganun lang. Hindi mo ka manood.
Oh.
Ganun lang yun.
Okay, meme yun na ha. Sinabi na niya. Hindi, ako talaga, huwag ka manood. The joke lang, magkaya mo yung tao na yun eh. Para maglagay sa pelikula namin. Oy, teka lang, hindi ka na sinagot. Yung mga multo nyo sa pag-ibig.
Alam mo, it's so easy to jump into the character on a daily basis, like when we had to do it. So, yeah, no, parang wala masyado, no? Yun lang.
Saka feeling ko, mas masarap, mas exciting na yung working relationship namin. Mas nag-gel na kami, madali na, mabilis, wala ano.
Saka feeling ko, ang dami niyo ng baon kasi ang dami niyo ng experiences.
Yun, siguro marami na kami ba.
So may mga ina-analyze nyo na yung scene direct. Bakit ganito? I shouldn't be doing this. Parang may mga ganun na kayo.
And I think we are both talagang, ano tawag doon, invested dun sa kwento ni Ellie and Eric.
Right.
Like, we got the characters, we understood them to the T. So it was so easy for us to just dive into the characters. And then, as Meisner would, dive right back out right away. So parang, you know, it's something that I think yun talaga, sobrang namin na-enjoy creating Ellie and Eric together. Just like we would have, as we did sa other projects natin.
Okay, from Radio